In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate through manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to connect your domain. This process will ensure that your website is properly set up and publicly accessible with your custom domain. So let's dive right into it, shall we? To start, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the URL manage.wix.com dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to find the setup section. This is the gateway to configuring your site settings and ensuring that everything is in its right place. You can easily locate it from the sidebar, which conveniently organizes all the tools and features you need for managing your website. After arriving at the setup page, keep an eye out for the Connect Your Domain option. Click on that. This action will propel you to the next vital step where you'll initiate the process of linking your custom domain to your Wix site. It's at this point that you have the chance to personalize your web address, a crucial move for branding and professional presentation. Next, you'll see a box where you can type your domain. Click on the box and enter the domain name you've chosen. This is an important moment. Make sure you're typing the correct name because this is what your visitors will use to find your site. Double check for any spelling errors or unintended typos just to be absolutely certain that it is precisely what you envisage. Following that, you'll want to finalize your domain suffix. For most, this means selecting a .com extension. Given its widespread familiarity and professionalism, simply click on .com to designate it as your chosen domain extension. This step seals the deal on one of the more recognizable and trusted endings for websites globally. Finally, you're going to see an encouraging button labeled Let's Go. By clicking this, you are essentially confirming your selections and propelling forward in your site setup process. This action initializes the connection of your custom domain to your Wix site. After clicking Let's Go, Wix starts processing your inputs and linking everything together, and that wraps up the steps you need to seamlessly connect your domain using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. You've now taken a significant step toward establishing a professional web presence. Should you have any further questions or if complications arise, the Wix support team and community forums are excellent resources to tap into. They're always a great fallback if you need additional guidance. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and straightforward. Until next time, happy site building!